Hi guys, welcome to today's lesson. Hope you're all well and I hope you're benefiting from these virtual lessons. Hopefully we'll see the end of these virtual lessons soon. Today's lesson is about another Bruce Springsteen song. The song is Devils and Dust. It's from 2005, or it was published in 2005, so it's a few years older than the last one we looked at, which was The Rising from 2002. Although it was published in 2005, it's a pretty well-known fact that Bruce Springsteen wrote this song a few years earlier, back in 2003, which is actually right in the middle of the period in time that we're dealing with in relation to our whole politics of fear concept. So you need to be able to look at the song within that context, the same context as George W. Bush's State of the Union speech from 2003 and the criticism of that type of policies. All right, now I have created a worksheet for today's lesson. Here it is. On it you'll find 6 study questions for Devils and Dust. You'll need to answer those questions. However, this time is going to be a little bit different because you will not answer these questions in writing. Instead, you will create a screencast of your answers for these questions. Now, on the worksheet at the bottom, you'll find a step-by-step introduction to how you make a screencast. If you just follow those steps, you really shouldn't have any problems with it at all. But I can just show you what you do because it's really, really easy. You go to screencast-o-matic.com. You click the Start Recording for Free. Then you pick US English as your language, and then you click Launch Free Recorder, and a free recorder will launch, and all you have to do is click the red record button and it records your screencast. After having finished your screencast, you need to upload it to somewhere. Now, I recommend YouTube because YouTube has that feature where you can make your videos hidden. So that way you don't have to have everybody or all kinds of strangers looking at your work. You can actually just make sure that it's me who gets to look at your work. After having uploaded your video to YouTube or someplace else, you need to copy the link and you need to paste that link into the written assignment and lecture called Devils and Dust. That way I'll have access to your screencast and I'll be able to look at your work. Okay. Other than that, I just want to let you know that in today's lesson you will also find a link for the music video for Devils and Dust. I definitely recommend that you listen to the song before you start analyzing it. I think it'll help you. You also find the actual song lyrics right here so that you have something to work with. All right, I think that's it. Have fun analyzing the song, making your screencasts, and I will see you Wednesday. All right, bye guys.